36 West 122nd. Beautiful day here. Gorgeous. It's about 55 degrees. They're going to get this painted now since it warmed up finally. Let's go upstairs. Let's go in here. So let's go upstairs here. And so let's go in here. So they got a lot of stuff done. We're putting the big crew in there next week. Got to get this one finished up. So, but you can see how your floors look or your paint. Be putting blinds up. Just little stuff that we have to finish on that. Let's see here. Same thing in here. Look how nice those floors look. Wow. So, and I'm gonna get those taken off. You got to finish the bathroom in here, flooring. We're going to do something with that countertop. So we got all this coming in. We have the sprayer guy, I think, coming in. So basically, the upstairs is pretty much done. There's some touch up they got to do, but it's pretty much done. Then we got to put some new flooring in here. But we're going to bring the big crew in here. We're going to really push hard to get this one done next week. That'll be the 4th week. So that's what it usually takes, about 4 weeks. We got to get that. It did get that done. We're going to fix all this. So we got to put plumbing in through here, which we're going to do. That won't take that long. And they've started to frame. So there's your new bedroom. So you can see here. There's that. You see this? This is all, we're framing that in too. We're framing that in too. And it's going to be a nice big bedroom. So that's what we're wanting here. So this is your update video. Like I said, I'm going to push on this one to get the crew in here next week. If we're not done, we're going to be very, very close. So again, everything's mostly done. We just got to get the little details out of the way and we can get this one rented. Thanks. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you next week.